Hello and welcome to Miss Sam's Phonics class. In today's class, we will be reading phrases and we will try writing them too. Are you ready? Let's get started. We are using up to 6 Phonics app.
Up to 6 phonics.
You can download the app on Google Play Store and on App Store. Let's read. See the sounds. P, at, pat, p, at, pat.
At. Pat.
A,
K. At. Cat.
cat, k, at, cat.
Pat a cat.
Now can you try writing this? Let's try. Let's write pat a cat. How to write? Pat. What is the first sound? P. P is the first sound and it is a monkey letter. Pat. Ant. Pat. Tennis. Bat. Then we have to put a finger gap. Bat. What will happen if we don't put a finger gap? Let's see. If we write like this. Bat. Cat. Pat a cat. Then we will not able to read our writing. Try this. Ask someone to read it. We'll see what will happen. Okay? But when we write with a finger gap, we can read it easily. Pat a cat. What is the first sound? K. And this is a curly k. K. A. Cat. Let's read. Pat a cat. We can read it. That means we have written it correct. Good job. A b e nt bent.
B. E. T. Bent.
T w I g twig.
T. W. E. G. Twig.
Children can try reading on their own, but on the up to 6 Phonics app, each and every word is decoded.
A bent twig.
Now let us try writing. A bent twig. Let us write. And we will not ask anyone to help us, okay? We will write on our own. Nicely. Finger gap. Bent. B is the first sound. Bent. B. E. Bent. A bent. Bent. A bent. It is really easy, right? A bent finger gap. Twig. What is the first sound? T. Twa. W. We must know the sounds very well. Okay. Twa. E. Twa. Egg. Twig. A bent twig. Well done. A, e, d.
D. Red.
Red. E, d. Red.
Hen.
Hen. A red hen.
A red hen.
Let's write. A red hen. Can you write? Yes. A red. Er. 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 Eh. Red. Red. When we practice writing, we learn faster. We remember a red hen, finger gap, and hen. What is the next sound? Eh. You know all the sounds. Hen. Because you are practicing. A red hen. Very good. Hens.
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 And.
And. Hens and ducks. C and K together make only one k sound.
Hens and ducks.
Now let us write. Hens and ducks. Can you write? Let's try. Hens. Let me write. What is the next sound? Eh. Hen. Hens. Hens. Finger gap. And. And d. Hens and finger gap ducks. What is the first sound in ducks? Say the sounds and write on your own without taking any help. Ducks. Duck. C and K in ducks. Okay. Just know this. Ducks. Ducks. Hens and ducks. Well done. Red.
Red.
When children listen to the sounds again and again, they learn it faster. A red.
Tent.
A red tent.
A red tent.
Now let us write. Can you write? A red tent. Very easy. We have written red earlier also, right? Don't forget the finger space. Eh. Red. A red tent. Finger space. T is the first sound in tent. Ten. Tent. A red tent. A red tent. Very good. Keep practicing. There are many phrases on the Up to 6 Phonics app. You can download the app and practice reading and writing these phrases. Keep practicing. I'll see you soon. Bye.